Many people at this time are talking about unfairness and equality, that maybe this system isn't fair or life isn't fair. It's not fair that this is happening. It's not fair that that's happening. This really is your internal world sending out a message to the universe. Fairness is about balance. And if you feel unbalanced within, then your external world is going to match that vibration. So when you feel life is unfair, maybe self-inquire. Why is my life unfair? What choices am I restricting myself on? And what fear is stopping me from moving forward in a fair, balanced manner? Crystals that are good for bringing fairness and balance into your life are Malachite and Jade. Malachite really helps you recognize the truth. And the truth is, if the system isn't fair and you feel that things are not right for you, address it, take control, find what is fair, value your own opinion. And Malachite will help you do this. Jade also brings in that internal feeling of fairness. Now, the Jin Shin Jitsu locks that are associated with equality and fairness are number 14, situated on the front of the body at the bottom of the ribs. So get your chosen crystal, place it on energy lock 14 on either side of the body, and just sit there for a few moments holding it and just watch how your body reacts to the vibration. After a while, you'll find that the universe will match your vibration and fairness and equality will return to your world again. I hope this helps.